and semi-transparent substance between plasma membrane, for example, and cell membrane, and nuclear envelope. It contains water in which many organic molecules are proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids. And inorganic cells are completely or partially dissolved. And cytoplasm provides space for the proper functioning of organelles and also acts as site for various biochemical metabolic reactions. For example, glycolysis, breakdown of glucose during cellular respiration occurs in cytoplasm. And his cytoskeleton is a network of microfilaments and microtubulus. Microtubulus are made of tubulin, protein, and are used by cells to hold their shape. They are also the major component of cilia and flagella. Microfilaments are thinner and are made of actin protein. They help cells to change their shapes. Cell organelles. Organelles are small structures within cells that perform dedicated functions. There are about a dozen types of organelles commonly found in eukaryotic cells. We will go through the basic facts about important cell organelles. And its nucleus. A prominent nucleus occurs in eukaryotic cells. In animal cells, it is present in the center, while in mature plant cells. Due to the formation of large central vacuole, it is pushed to side and the nucleus is bounded by a double membrane known as nuclear envelope, and nuclear envelope contains many small pores that enable it to act as a semi-permeable and membrane. Inside nuclear envelope, granular fluid nucleoplasm is present. Nucleoplasm contains one of two nucleoli, singular nucleolus and chromosomes, and nucleus is a dark spot, and it is site where ribosome RNA are formed and assembled as ribosomes. And chromosomes are visible only during cell division, while during interphase non-dividing phase of cell they are in the form of fine thread-like structures known as chromatin, and chromosomes are composed by deoxynucleic acid, DNA, and proteins. And the prokaryotic cells do not contain prominent nucleus, and the chromosomes is made of DNA only and is submerged in cytoplasm. So friends, how is my topic? I hope you like it. So now I am go to my new best topic. Take care and Allah Hafiz.